Yan, kinakain ka na ng anak mo. Kasi masyado kang malandi. Yan, malandi ka kasi. You are flirty, that's why. Your anak, your son is making you, yes. Your son is angry to you because you are flirty. You're so flirty kasi yan. Ginaganyan ang anak mo. Inaaway mo ang anak mo, ha? Nagdididi yung anak mo, tapos ginaganyan mo. Hindi pa yan. Hindi pwede yan. Tingnan yung itsura mo. Tanda-tanda mo na, malandi ka pa rin. Ronnie, Ronnie. What's that?
Nagtaray din po. That's a mosquito. You need mosquito in life to change your blood.
Yeah, to replenish your blood. Look, Bomber is busy. Iyak. Ew! Lupus.
Tiger, where are you going?
Can you pet me without the cell phone? Because it's so annoying. Okay, I'm gonna pet you now.